Hi, I'm Jack from Crewe Volkswagen and I'm going to show you around this approved used Volkswagen.
We've now got this lovely Ford Puma ST for sale, finished in this gorgeous bright green metallic paintwork. So it features the 1.5 turbocharged EcoBoost petrol engine producing 200 PS. You'll have peace of mind motoring of this vehicle with the full service history and also the minimum of 12 months warranty from ourselves. Starting off at the front of the vehicle, you've got those LED headlights providing fantastic vision in all conditions. Down the side of the car, you've got these gorgeous 19-inch alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly with the ST logo in just at the top there. Your gloss black wing mirror covers, which are power folding and heated, privacy glass from the B-pillar backwards, as well as this gorgeous panoramic sunroof letting plenty of fresh air and light into the cabin. You have a generous amount of boot space available as well, so split folding seats, so plenty of room there for multiple large suitcases or any further luggage. And just moving on to the interior, your lovely ST seats with the part leather and part Alcantara, with a contrasting white stitching as well. And at the front of the vehicle, you've got a leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel and a centre armrest there to keep you nice and comfortable. Those lovely comfortable and supportive sport seats there as well. Just behind the wheel, you've got a full digital display with your different driving modes available. There's even a race setting there. And just moving on to the infotainment screen. Alongside your digital radio and multiple media functions such as your Bluetooth, you've also got satellite navigation on board as well with spoken instructions for those unfamiliar journeys. You'll have peace of mind whilst parking with front and rear parking sensors. And a little bit further down the cabin, you benefit from the climate control, as well as heated front seats, a heated windscreen and also a heated steering wheel, so perfect for those cold winter mornings. There's a little storage just below there as well, with the USB ports you can charge your device while on the move, and also wireless phone charging available.
This vehicle comes with 2 years warranty, 2-year roadside assistance, as well as much more. If you need any more information, please call us on 01270 864 452 or inquire online now.